Hi, it's Dan with Design Butler, and I'd like to explore some of the pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages of using an unlimited graphic design service like Design Butler. So first, let's start with the pros. The pros are you get a ton of design requests. So if you actually submit enough design requests each month, you're going to get great value out of any unlimited graphic design service that you choose, whether it's ours or another. Some of the other pros are that there are multiple designers that work with a company like Design Butler. So this means that instead of being limited to a single designer's time zone, you're open to multiple designers' time zones. So for example, if your local freelancer has started Netflix and dinner at 6:30 p.m., perhaps one of the freelancers that we use is just starting their day in another part of the world. So this means that the design work gets done overnight while you're sleeping, and in some cases is potentially delivered to you first thing in the morning. So you wake up and go to your inbox and the design work is done. Now let's explore some of the disadvantages or cons or negative aspects of using an unlimited design service. So if you're accustomed to working with a local freelancer, one of the downsides of an unlimited graphic design service is there typically won't be any face-to-face contact at a physical location. So you won't be able to sit across the table typically from your designer to discuss certain things or brainstorm or riff. It does have to be done via email or via computer, although you can use video sometimes to make the communication a little bit smoother. Some of the other downsides are sometimes people have mentioned that quality can be an issue if you're using an unlimited graphic design service. So the reality is that not every company can afford a $250 an hour graphic designer that, say, Coca-Cola may use, but all they need is some simple quote graphics or something else like that for some social media posts. And maybe they need some blog post graphics, a header for their email and newsletter, or other things. And the reality is that, again, not everybody needs a $250 an hour graphic designer. So the quality may be slightly less than what you would get with the top local freelancer in your city. However, the quality is more than adequate for many people, and the proof is in the pudding. So check out the portfolio of any unlimited graphic design company that you might be considering. Lastly, another pro is you get one heck of a deal. So for example, if you're only paying a few hundred US dollars a month for unlimited graphic design, that is really a great deal. So, if you think about, for example, let's say you need 30 Facebook images one month because you like to do one Facebook post per day and each post requires an image. How much would that cost for your local freelancer to do if they were charging an hourly rate for that type of work? Also, sometimes freelancers can be a bit indifferent about doing that type of boring, repetitive work that many businesses need. Once that initial creative spark and inspiration and that early concept creation phase is over, many designers are done and they want to move on to the next project because they're chasing that creative high. Well, we like to step in as soon as for example, the logo and the website are done, and it's time to get onto that more mundane, boring, day-to-day production style graphic design. That's where these unlimited graphic design services like Design Butler really shine. So I hope this has helped to shed some light on some of the pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages of using unlimited graphic design services. If you have any more questions about how our service works, definitely check out our website at designbutler.co and check out our FAQ at designbutler.co/FAQ. We look forward to working with you. Nice.